Hello small learners, today you will learn about how to create a basic bulleted list in LaTeX using the Itemize environment. Okay, in order to make our text appear in bullet, we will use the tag Itemize. Okay, and in this item tag, we will write the text, for example, banana, item apple, item grapes. Okay, just to make it appear as bullets, let's recompile it. Okay, as you can see that these three texts are appearing as bulleted lists. So for example, if we want to add numbered list, then we can add the tag enumerate. Okay, just cut these text and put it within the enumerate environment. Okay, let's fetch the extra text. Okay, now we'll try to run it with enumerate environment. Okay, as you can see, it is appearing as numbered list. And for example, if we want to enter another bulleted list within a bullet, then we can add itemize and we can add apple has green apple, red apple, and we can add yellow apple. Okay, let's recompile it. Okay, as you can see that within this numbered list, we are getting bulleted list with the help of itemize environment, and enumeration is giving us listed environment. So this was all from my side related to bulleted. So this was all from my side related to how to insert bullets in LaTeX. See you in next video. Thank you so much for watching the video.